Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing your Huawei and jumping straight into settings. Unlock the device and confirm it has enough charge. Low battery can block updates. Open Settings now, either from the app drawer or the Quick Settings gear. Once inside, locate System and Updates or About Phone to note the MUI version. This matters because menu labels vary. After you've confirmed the version, go to System and Language. Then tap Language and Input to find keyboard settings and continue to the keyboard selection. Now you select the keyboard and change sound preferences. In Language and Input, tap Virtual Keyboard or Default Keyboard to view installed keyboards. Pick the one you use. Once selected, open Preferences or Sound and Vibration to see options for keypress sound, volume, and vibration. Toggle the keypress sound on or off, move the volume slider to set loudness, and set vibration strength if available. Make gradual changes and test by typing in any text field, because the real-time feedback helps you fine-tune the level. Finish by confirming changes and addressing problems if they appear. After setting sound and vibration, open a messaging app and type to verify the new feedback. If nothing changed, toggle the keyboard off and on, or restart the phone. Make sure the Global Other Sounds or Keyboard Sound toggle in Sounds and Vibration is enabled, because some MUI builds override app settings. If issues persist, update the keyboard app from App Gallery or clear its cache and data. That often resolves conflicts without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.